Everything is coming out. We're going to put new washer, dryers here, new cabinets. We're going back with a garbage disposal. We're going back with granite. We have a nice design plan for this kitchen here. So we're just going to walk on through here. We're going to walk out here. We have this very nice living room here with all of this space. Of course, we're going to need to put a light here, a nice fixture there. And also we have a nice place, a nice fireplace here. This place is 3 bedrooms, 2.5 baths. And we're going to do very nice with it. We're going to fix it up lovely. We're going to remove the carpet and we're going to design it. And also we have Mr. Bryant Teller here of Hierarchy Development.
All right.
And he's going to be the contractor on this project, and 2739 LLC will be the developer on this project, and we're going to work together and manage this project together. So let's walk on down the hall again here. We have nice closet doors here. We're going to paint the whole entire place. We have a pantry here. All right, on this level here, we have a half bath, powder room there, very lovely. And we're going to walk upstairs here to the second level. Very nice. All right, just checking out the lights here. All right. Here we have one room. We got the lights here. And these rooms are very spacious, nice to live in for a nice family. We have a linen closet here, very nice. All righty. Of course, we're going to modernize the ceiling fans. We're going to replace them. And again, we're going to clean everything out and give it a very lovely, nice, beautiful look here. Okay, we're going to walk on to the next bathroom. The community bathroom. Again, we're going to remove all sinks and toilets. We're going to replace it as new. We're going to redo the shower here. We're going to move the shower door here and get it to look real nice. Right, thank you. All right, here we go into the master bedroom here. And again, very spacious. You have 2 closets here. It's central. We have central air. And we have a master bedroom right here, master bathroom. That's what I meant to say, a master bathroom. And again, we're going to replace everything out. We're going to redo the shower. We're going to redo everything in the bathroom, the new light fixtures, and we're going to get it to look nice. Mm-hmm. So when we go to work here, we're going to provide a family with a very lovely house. And this is the house plan, and this is how we're going to work it out. So thank you for joining us and coming out and to work the house here, and we're going to get it to look real lovely. So let's go back downstairs to talk about the plan of order to work on it. Hey, how you doing? Thank you for your reception. How you doing, Pedro? Thank you for that. All righty. So now we're going to go back down here to the board, and we're going to talk about the order of rehab. Again, the order of rehab. We have created financing strategies for buying real estate. But what I want to talk about right now is the order of rehab when you're rehabbing a house here. So first you have your planning, you get your permits, and you get your demo. Today we're here today to go over the demo format and how we're going to just get the project started along to work it. And with the order of rehab, you have planning, you have permits, you have demo, you have framing, you have HVAC, you have plumbing, and you have your inspections. Then you do drywall and flooring. Then you have your closeout process. And as we move through this process, we will be documenting the process so you can learn and understand how to do this. Alrighty. So now what I'd like to talk about is the investment strategies that's going to work in this market cycle that we're now in with the coronavirus, so that we can make sure that we make money during this cycle. So as of right now, I'm asking the members and teams to focus on wholesaling, retailing, hoteling. And what I mean by hoteling is a house that you could go in, get in, and that you can fix very fast and you get out. And a house that you can get in maybe 4 to 6 weeks. You get in, you renovate it. You don't have to do no guts. What I mean by guts, you don't have to turn no walls opening. You're just going to be replacing lights, fixtures. You're going to be replacing vanity sinks, and you're going to be replacing kitchen cabinets, refrigerator, and appliances, and painting the whole entire house. So with a hoteling project, which this project is we're in today, when it's done, we're going to sell it to a retail buyer. Also with fix and flip, you sell to retail buyers too. But this project right here is it's a hotel project. We're not going to focus on buy and hold. We all know that buy and hold give you cash flow, appreciation, and equity. You know, if you wanted to do it, you can. But I believe we're more in the market of lease options and subject to and seller finances, which I believe, my opinion, is going to be the major strategies working in this market at the time. And another thing that I would like to talk about would be how to keep our minds straight during the coronavirus crisis and all of that. It's more like I want to talk about how do you crisis-proof your mind. And you're doing that by having a focus and having a plan and working your plan each and every day. And having a routine of when you get up each day, of how you're going to work your routine, how many phone calls you're going to make, how many offers you're going to write each day. That keeps you focused, and that keeps you from just vegetating and not doing anything. So by keeping a plan to help keep you focused each and every day and working your plan will help you make money in this market cycle. And also, I want to spotlight the real estate wealth investor system where you make cash now, cash flow, cash later. Because if you're going to make money, you have to do it with all 3 of these channels in mind. We're going to learn how to make money. We're going to learn how to let money cash flow for us. And we're going to let money work for us while we're doing this process. So that's why I call it the real estate investor system, which really consists of creative financing strategies. Right? And I just want us just to take the time and just be committed to working the system. With that, I'm gonna say thank you to everyone.